Hi, my name is Dagmar, and in this series I'm going to give you tips on how to effectively work with the new Outlook for the web. In one of the previous videos you learned how to change your password, and today I will show you what to do if you forget it. Let's do it. Go to the Outlook website and via the sign in button we're going to go through the process. So first we need to fill in our email address and click the next button. Here we would normally put our password, but since we don't know it, we're gonna pick forgot password. And here we need to verify our identity. You can do it either via another email address, and that's what I'm gonna do, or via a text message. This is what you pick when creating your Outlook account, for which, by the way, we also have a video. So if you need help with that, just check our YouTube channel. You're gonna find it there. I'm gonna pick the email. Here we need to write down my email address again and click get code. All right, I'm gonna check my Gmail if I get the code. Yes, I did. So now I'm just gonna fill that in and click the next button. Great. Here we're gonna reset the password. So I'm gonna pick a new one and re-enter the new one. Okay, great. When I have it, I click the next button. And that's it. Now I have my new password. I changed it and I'm gonna sign in as I'm used to. And that's it. You've just reset your password in Outlook. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell to get notified every time there's a new video. I'll see you soon.